Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. A little update on my Meyer Lemon seeds. Last time I did a update video, I had two. One over here and one over here. I had started them in this IHOP bin, transplanted one over to this tub, and the other day I noticed that I had several others popping up. So we have one here, and there's one seedling right down at the tip of my pointer coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Meyer Lemons, which is awesome because I only think I planted 9 seeds. So those are coming along very well. These up here are some miscellaneous tomato seeds that I just sprinkled up there, and they're not doing too good. So, but they were just, I don't even know what they were, to be honest. But this is an update on the Meyer Lemons. So these are coming along really well. I'm going to have to find another pot for this one before those root systems get too big. And maybe I'll find another bin like this. That was just a, what is this one? Just, oh, Country Crock. Just a big old butter bin. It's pretty nice. So that's it for this update. Just a quick update on my Meyer Lemons. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe for future updates.